So what have you been up to during this quarantine period? I've been watching old cartoons. I binge-watched Astro Boy the other day. Old cell animation is what I've been drawn to since before I can remember. It's the reason I went to school for animation, which pointed me in the direction of starting my own art business. After the chaos of finishing school and my first jobs and Dad dying, I took a step back, and now it's been about 2 years since I sold at my last convention. Through this break, though, I've continued doing commissions. In fact, I've drawn a lot of tattoo designs within the last year. Which leads us into this next project, which is going to be drawing a coloring page and then coloring it. And there will be a video every single day this week. Sunday is materials and schedule. Monday we're going to draw something. Tuesday we will ink it. Wednesday we'll color it. And then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday we'll repeat Monday through Wednesday with a new drawing. All you need is a pair of scissors and a ruler if you want to cut your paper, and then you just need a pencil with an eraser, a pen that doesn't smudge, and some coloring supplies.